You know, juggling a ton of online accounts, it can feel like you're on a high wire act, right? And without a net. One little slip, and boom, you could be dealing with locked accounts or worse, angry clients. So today, we're going to look at two really powerful safety nets that are designed to solve this exact problem, but they do it in completely different ways. Let's figure out which one is the right fit for you.
Okay, let me ask you this. Is your browser just a total mess of tabs for different clients? Are you constantly logging in and out, double-checking you're in the right social media account, and just living in fear of that dreaded unusual activity flag? Yeah, you are not alone. And trust me, there is a much, much smarter way to work.
Well, the solution is actually this really clever category of software called multi-login browsers. Just imagine giving every single one of your online accounts its own private, totally isolated room inside your browser. No more mixed-up cookies, no more data bleeding from one account to another, just clean, separate workspaces for everything you do. All right, so here's the thing. Both of these tools promise to fix the same problem, but how they do it, well, that's where things get really interesting. We're looking at two fundamentally different philosophies here, and understanding this split is absolutely the key to making the right choice.
Think of it like this. Sendwin's cloud approach is kind of like renting a bunch of super high-security, already set-up office suites in the cloud. They handle all the heavy lifting, the security, the infrastructure, and you just stream access to them. Classic anti-detect browsers, on the other hand, are more like a master disguise kit that you use right on your own computer. You get total granular control over every single detail of your digital identity, right there on your own machine.
Okay, so philosophy is one thing, but how do these tools actually perform in the real world? Let's put them head-to-head and see how they stack up on the three things that probably matter most to you: teamwork, security, and automation. First up, let's talk teamwork. Because let's be real, if you're part of an agency or you're on a remote team, just sharing access to things can be a huge headache, right? So how do these tools make it easier and safer for you all to work together? And this is where you see a really fascinating difference in how they think about the problem. Sendwin is all about sharing live sessions. Think about that for a second. You can send a temporary link to a client so they can view a campaign without ever giving them a password. You can even blur out the billing page. Anti-detect browsers, they're built for sharing entire browser profiles among trusted team members, using really detailed permissions and roles.
All right, next up, security. And this is a big one, folks. The question is, do you trust an expert team to handle security for you up in the cloud? Or do you prefer to have absolute control and, absolute responsibility right there on your own desktop?
So check this out. Here's the crucial difference. With Sendwin, the website you're looking at isn't actually running on your computer. Nope, it's being streamed from their secure servers. And that means any malware or phishing attack, it just hits a dead end before it could ever get to your machine. With local browsers, everything is happening right on your device. That gives you incredible control, but it also means you are the first and the last line of defense. Okay, for all you power users, you developers, and you QA testers out there, this next part is for you. What happens when you need to go beyond just clicking around and start automating tasks on a massive, massive scale?
And wow, this slide right here, it just perfectly illustrates that core split we've been talking about. Sendwin is designed for humans. It's there to make a person's manual workflow faster, easier, and safer. Classic anti-detect browsers, they are often built for machines, for scripts, with powerful APIs that let programs talk directly to the browser and these headless modes that let them run in the background without any visuals at all. It's a fundamental difference in who they're built for.
Okay, so this table basically pulls everything we've just talked about into one place. You can see all the trade-offs at a single glance. Sendwin gives you that zero install simplicity and incredibly secure sharing. Anti-detect browsers give you that deep, granular control over your digital fingerprint and some seriously powerful automation tools. Look, it's not about which one is better overall, it's about which set of features solves your specific problem. So with all that in mind, let's get practical. Enough theory, right? We're going to walk through a few common real-world scenarios to help you find your perfect match. Let's kick things off with a super common one, the marketing agency. Maybe this sounds like you. You're juggling a dozen different clients, your team members all need access to different ad accounts, and you need to show your clients their progress without just, handing over the keys to the kingdom.
Yeah, for this job, Sendwin is a no-brainer. It's like it was built for this exact workflow. Being able to share a live session with just a link, set a 1-hour timer for a client to review a campaign, and then blur out all the sensitive account details, That is a massive upgrade for your workflow and a huge security win.
Now let's jump into a completely different universe, the world of the QA engineer or the developer. Here, collaboration isn't really the main goal. Scale is. You're not managing 20 accounts. You're trying to simulate 200 or maybe even 2,000 different devices to see how your website behaves.
And in this case, the choice is crystal clear. You absolutely need a classic anti-detect browser. That deep control over the browser fingerprint and the powerful APIs for scripting, those are non-negotiable for this kind of work. This is their home turf for sure.
And for our last scenario, let's put on our IT or security team hat for a second. Your main goal isn't just about getting work done. It's about pure risk reduction for every device in your company.
This is where Sendwin's whole cloud isolation thing becomes the killer feature. By making sure that web code never, ever runs on your employee's computer, you basically eliminate a massive category of endpoint threats. For any security-conscious organization, that is a huge win.
Okay, let's talk money, because that's always a factor, right? Sendwin's pricing is really simple and predictable. It's just a straightforward monthly plan. A lot of anti-detect browsers use a different model. They'll often start with a free tier and then you pay as you grow. And that makes sense for them, because their power users might need hundreds of profiles, and the pricing just scales up with them.
So, when you boil it all down, it really just comes to this one single question. What is your #1 biggest challenge? Is it finding a way to share access safely and collaborate seamlessly with your team and your clients? Or is it all about building complex, automated workflows that can run across hundreds, maybe thousands of digital identities? Your answer to that one question, it points you directly to the perfect tool for your job.